Hi everyone, this is Sumay from Tulip here today, and I'm here to walk you through our new Digital Systems Access Management application. The Digital Systems Access Management application allows users to submit requests for access to various roles in different systems, as well as allows administrators and supervisors to review these access requests and provision access or deny these requests for access. So jumping into the app, what we see is that we have a page where you can submit an access request or review a request for access, as well as filter these requests based on various different parameters. So going ahead to submit an access request, selecting Sumay's test system as a system I want to submit an access request to for role 1, and putting myself as the user and function as direct product, I will click submit access request. And what you see is that my access request is submitted in the table and it has a status of in review, which means that the business owner now has to review this access request to determine whether to grant me access or to reject it. So going into review the access request, as I am the business owner, I can actually do this myself. And putting in an access review date of right now, I will choose to approve access and sign in with my badge ID to complete this process. And what this says is that I have been told to grant access, and the technical owner actually gets an email saying that he or she or they need to grant access to me to this system. And now, as I'm the technical owner as well, I can actually go ahead and show you the step as well. So hitting review request, I have the option to provision access and not actually remove access because the business owner has chosen to grant access to me. And I will hit provision access, and what we see is that access has been granted to me and I have been notified via email that I've actually been given access to the system. Furthermore, there's an opportunity to actually revoke access to the system, and hitting review request, what I see is that I have the opportunity to actually remove access, and clicking remove access shows that my access has actually been removed to the system. So this is a way for people to use Tulip apps to actually track access requests to systems, as well as to grant and revoke accesses from different systems. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support.tulip.co. Thanks for watching and following along.